Manoj sir,
Good evening, one and all present in the meeting. My dear students, my faculty members of Department of Accountancy and college. As you all must have read that notice, just system, accounting terminology, accounting process in our country is involved. So they are the topmost body who take care of all the accounting which happens in our country. So it's their initiative to, as Subhas sir rightly stated, that it is an initiative by them to test the basic knowledge, basic terminology, basically, because this test is completely based on MCQ, multiple choice question. So as it is based on MCQ, so I feel that the when it is based on MCQ, so they will be testing your basic talent, basic knowledge, means what you know about commerce. Now, the question arises, what do you mean by commerce? Because commerce itself is the ocean. Commerce matlab kya? Is it accounts? Is it SP? Is it management? Is it economics? Is it a foundation course? Guys, commerce is a mixture of all. Commerce also includes your math. Commerce also includes your finance. Commerce also includes your advertising. Everything which you are studying, Uh, and it's not like you haven't came across all these terminology which I'm just raising as a course material, as a program specific subjects. Every program, like I am seeing, there are students from BMS, there are students from BCom, BAF, BBI, BIM, BFM, from all the stream. As far as the commerce is concerned, it is not purely for a particular program specific. It is across all the program which is directly indirectly related to commerce are involved. So, guys, you all will be tested on the basics, on the terminology, the syllabus, and the pattern, and all. Little bit we are going to share with you also. In fact, right away. But you need to know why this is important, guys. We all know that like the world is very competitive. As far as the job market is concerned, it's very competitive. And when a student starts attempting face such kind of competitions like the one which I'm sharing right now, the one which for which I'm here in front of you people. So everyone become very cautious. Everyone become very enthusiastic. Yeah, what is there for us? Means after registration, you all must have seen that that notice which is being forwarded, or not. Then it will be forwarded in the group because you all are required to join a WhatsApp group. The link is already shared with you all in the chat box by the sir. You all are required to join that group class so that we can update, upload, and keep you on top as far as the content and the pattern is concerned. Now the question arises, what is the importance? Why we should go for it? हम तो कर रहे हैं, BAF तो कर रहे हैं, BMS तो कर ही रहे हैं. But even though I don't have the test of accountancy, but still should we go for it? Definitely yes, because that 100 rupees registration which you are going to pay to ICI is not going to matter you anyway, class. The important part is your competency, that certification you will be getting, that is going to upgrade your profile as a student, as a future employee. It is going to enhance it. So, guys, you all are. I won't request, but I will order. In fact, you all should not only register, but also make sure that you give due weightage, you give due importance to it, so that the best outcome can be found and is clearly visible in your personality over the period of time. So that's important importance of it. So, as far as the syllabus and other things are concerned, it will be we are going to share with you because it's a undergraduate commerce program. So for BMS, BAF, BBI, BIM, BFM, all the program, it's a common syllabus. There are something which is there in your syllabus. There are something which is not, but obviously it's a competitive exam, so we have to do certain things. Yeah. So, Subhas, kindly share that syllabus wala part with them.
Thank you, sir. Now, dear friends, we will be covering in this session several points like registration, like eligibility for the exam, the portion, the syllabus, the coverage of the exam, and the most important, what will be the prize and certification and all. But all from point number 2 to 5, everything we will be discussing on directly on the website of ICI Commerce Wizard website, a specific website designed for this exam purpose only. Now I will take you to that website. Just give me a moment. Is this visible to everyone? The website is visible to all of you? Oh, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. Okay, very good. Now see, this website is specifically for our ICI Commerce Wizard competitive exam. Now, dear friends, as you are all are already aware, this is a diagnostic test. Diagnostic test means the institute wants to test your understanding capabilities. They don't want to test your information. If you are good in accounting, it's good, but whether you are able to integrate it with the use of accountancy or not, so that will be the intention of the institute, to test your capability to understand. And for that purpose, this website is here. So first point that we are going to cover is the registration, most important point, because after registration only you will be eligible for appearing in the exam. So when you will go to the website, see, the first here you will find the registration. Very simple, click on the link. It will take you through the particular form. Just wait for a moment. Now you can see this form. Is this visible to everyone, the form? Okay. Now see, this is a very important from the basic data required: your name, father name, mother name, gender, mobile number. One advice is that whenever you are giving a mobile number must be active. It should not be the dead one where they want to contact you and it's invalid or not reachable or something. Don't provide the dead one, provide the active mobile number. Then your
Then
date
the
of
meaning
birth.
of active, सुभाष sir, the meaning of active mobile number class means जिसके ऊपर SMS आता है, WhatsApp नहीं, हाँ, please make a note. The one where you get SMS, not the WhatsApp enabled. वो आपका active number होता है. Yes, carry on, sir.
Yes. Then your date of birth. Now this is the class category of exam that we want to appear, or for what we want to register ourselves. Now see, 5 criterias are there, and very simple. Student pursuing 9th in academic session 21-22. So this is not valid for us. 9, 10, 11, 12. That means these 4 are not valid for us. Student pursuing graduation in the academic year 21-22. This one, the current academic year. Yes. So student pursuing this, you need to select here. After that, name of the college and the institute: Thakur College of Science and Commerce. Board and university: Mumbai University. Aadhaar number, don't do any mistake while writing Aadhaar number, and all these are the basic details. Your name, father name, mother name, as you will provide in this, similar you will get in your certificate. So don't do any mistake. Then this is the security code that you need to enter here. Email ID. Most important, email ID means active email ID. Active email ID is an email ID for you, for which you can remember the password. Most of the time what happens that you provide some email ID and in actual you are not using that email ID, or you don't remember the password. Yes, so provide active email ID which you are using on a regular basis, or basically you should also checking it on a regular basis. And after filling all these details, we need to check it out and then send OTP. So as soon as you will click on the send OTP, you will get a mail with all the details, and this will take you to the merchant website for the payment and all. Sorry. This will take you to the merchant website. Then you need to make a simple payment with the debit card and credit card, and you will get your IDs and all in the mail box. Okay, so this is the simple process of registration. Now suppose you registered but you failed to make a payment. So you registered but you failed to make a payment. So what you have to do, again you have to do the login. As soon as you register, you will get a login ID and password in your mailbox. So from that login ID and password, do login. Since I don't have that login ID and password because I'm not eligible for this exam, so do the login and then pay the fees, and then the registration process over. That I will tell you. Just hold on. One by one, everything I will tell you. So this is the basic registration process. This is as simple as opening a Facebook account and WhatsApp account. Very simple. Okay, so this is all about the registration. Now let's check what are the dates. See, event and the date and time. Very important. Last date of online registration and payment. See, registration and payment both are on the same date. So 5th January 2022, and very important, price is just rupees 100. Yes, 100 rupees is a fee, and the date is 5th January 2022. Now the next one, last date for online registration and payment with late fees. So very important, 5th January without late fees, and 12th January, that is the birthday of Swami Vivekananda, which is that is the last date of registration, but the fees is going to be 50% higher, that is 150 rupees. Till 5th, that means till tomorrow, it's 100 rupees, and 12th of the January, it's 150 rupees. Okay, now this is about the exam, the date of exam. This exam, the pattern of exam is in two labels. There will be two labels of the exam. First label, label 1, and second one, label 2. So first label 1 exam will be on 16th of January, that is Sunday, and label 2 exam will be 30th of January 2002, that is again Sunday. Okay, so this is the dates, the date limit for the registration and fees for the exam. Now we will go and check the syllabus of the exam. For us, the pattern will be BCom. So we will check here the syllabus for graduates or graduation. See, syllabus for graduation and all other courses similar. Business studies. Under business studies, you have foundation. Is this visible to everyone clearly?
Subhash sir.
Yes, sir.
Guys, business studies is nothing but it's your commerce subject, the one which you have studied under different name, including foundation course also somewhere. In some of the program, even foundation course के अंदर भी ये चीजें आपको पढ़ाई गई है. So that's not new. सुभाष सर ऊपर लो जरा. Yeah, after business studies, just go down. Just go down. The second subject is accountancy. Guys, again, if you will see the accountancy, just make it थोड़ा zoom in करो sir. मतलब sorry,
एक
zoom out करो. Zoom out
एक
करो,
सेकंड,
zoom out.
एक सेकंड सर.
Sir, zoom out. It should be visible in one screen.
एक
पूरा
सेकंड.
अकाउंट एक स्क्रीन में आ जाना चाहिए. हाँ बस just hold on. People can they can zoom in or zoom out depending on their need. Guys, if you see the accountancy also, accountancy consists theoretical framework. That's nothing but your FYE first year. That is semester one. I'm talking about across the college wherever you have been got accountancy subject. Your semester one consists theoretical framework, accounting process, and business income. These three, all these three, is your semester one. If you are a first year learner, then you have already studied that. It also you have studied it in your 11th and 12th, guys. So second is preparation of financial statement. Guys, again, this is your semester one across the college, because I being the chairman board of studies accountancy, wherever accounts are being taught, been at the introduction level. So I have made it sure that all these content are there with the students and they have already studied it, so that no problem should be faced or there shouldn't be any kind of problem with them. Subhas sir, go ahead. Go to the next page or next content. Or is it like only two things are there? Yeah, third thing is also there. Just
Four
hold on.
subjects are there, sir.
Just sir, just a minute. Go up.
Third one is economics, and fourth one is aptitude.
Sir, go up. Zoom out. Zoom out.
जलवानी वासावे.
This is economics.
Yeah. Even guys, the economics is also it's a basic economics. Basic मतलब जहाँ पे सारे like micro and macro के सारे basic terminologies are there, like utility, demand theory, competition, all that thing which you have studied in 11th, 12th and got repeated in first year economics also.
जलवानी वासावे.
Student,
ना.
student, please mute yourself.
Done, sir.
Yeah, so that is what the syllabus part for economics. Then the next part is about aptitude. Go ahead, sir. Guys, aptitude आजकल हर जगह होता है. Aptitude is nothing but it's your business communication type of subject, you can say, which require your presence of mind, which also consists your mathematical knowledge, which also consists your all the foundation core subject, yeah, environmental studies which you have studied in your lower standard. So in short and simple, what I'm trying to say you, all the subject is not different, but yes, you have to again put yourself into this, because ICI is trying to identify, trying to find out those people who have the caliber, who have the excellency in future, those who can excel in the life in the field of accountancy. So that is what I have to say about the syllabus part. Subhash sir, go ahead.
So this is basically a syllabus of our graduation level exam. This exam, four subjects in all level. There are only four subjects: business studies, basically your OC and all management, accountancy from FY to TY. And don't worry, if you are in SY or if you are in FY, so you may be thinking, what about TY? So very less points are covered from the TY. Or I can tell you only single book which is going to cover, which is going to be the comprehensive material, that is the foundation account book. That means your CPT or foundation का जो accounting का book है, that will be more than sufficient for all accounting. For economics, you can take a help of economics ka book, macro, everything will be covered in that book. Or one more thing, we have a very good, or I can say the best reference book in our library. Go to the library, take the printout of this syllabus and find the book, and you can take and you can use it. So this will help you. The library will help you a lot. So this is the basic syllabus about of the your examination, that is the commerce wizard and aptitude, general aptitude, nothing specific, the general observation. So this is all about the our syllabus. Other than syllabus, the some sample papers are also there that you can download at the later stage and you can try to solve it. Other than that syllabus, one most important part, the price and all. So let us check. Okay, right now this exam will be in online mode. Now try to understand. This is a system requirement. I will suggest all of you to appear with the laptop, to appear with the, or compulsorily with the laptop. Don't try to appear with the mobile. At the later stage, there may be some technological issue or you won't be able to appear it. So try to arrange anyhow some laptop friends, and anyhow, this is the system requirement. Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10, whatever is there. Processor, minimum 2 GB RAM. I hope in all mobiles more than that we have. Browser that you are going to use, the Google Chrome, and try to ensure that you have a minimum speed of 2 Mbps. Yes, it's given Windows 10 or later. So Windows 11, 12, 13, whatever you have. I hope Windows 11 is the latest one. So if Windows 11 you are using, it's good, no issue. 10 and later, but not below Windows 7. Not below Windows 7. Okay. Minimum internet speed 2 Mbps. Okay. Try to ensure you are in an area where you have a good network, stability in network basically. Because once the synchronous process breached, then automatically you will be out of the exam. So the stability of network is most important rather than the speed. It should be continuous at the same pace. So that is required. This is all about the system requirement. Okay, and continuously I am sending the WhatsApp group link. WhatsApp link in this group chat box. So this is a WhatsApp group link. Everyone fill this form and join the WhatsApp group. That group will be specifically for ICAI Commerce Wizard. Yes. So everyone fill this form. Just shared in the your chat group chat box. Everyone check your chat box. The link is shared in your chat box. Fill this form and join the WhatsApp group that is specifically for the ICAI Commerce Wizard. We will be sharing all the upcoming updates with respect to the exam, the syllabus, download sample papers and all. Everything we will be sharing. That means it will be the means of communication. Okay. So this is the system requirement. Now understand the pattern of exam. The exam will be in two. Exam will be in the two labels. Label 1. See, for label 2, you need to first qualify label 1. For label 2, you need to first qualify label 1. Then only you can go to the. Then only you can appear for the label 2. So label 1 exam, as I told you, it's 16 January, and this is the time slot 9-10 for 9. For 10, 11, 12, that means for us, BCom and all graduate level, it's 5 to 6 p.m. level 1 exam on the 16th January. Okay. And if you qualified in level 1 exam, then level 2 exam will be on 30th January from 5 to 6 same. But try to understand, level 1 exam you can appear from your home also. But level 2 exam will be from the designated exam center only. That means if you qualify for level 1 and then you will be appearing for level 2. So in level 2, there will be some designated exam centers. Yes. And at that place, you have to appear the exam, not from your home, but level 1, you can appear. Yes. This information you can get from instruction for the registration. Here it's clearly given. Later on, you can read everything about that. See, COVID is beyond our control. We cannot control these things. So if some such issues are there, so definitely the things will be changed. But right now it's not in our control, so we cannot decide on that. But if something which is unfortunate, is something unfortunate is happening at the later stage, definitely that will be taken into the consideration and accordingly things will be changed. Okay. So this is all about the exams level 1 and level 2, and the most important, the price. See, ICI Institute understand a common language, that is the language of money. So you can see here all the prices in monetary value only. All the prices in monetary value. Certification definitely you will get, and that will prove your competitive advantage, and that will prove your competitiveness. First prize will be 1 lakh. Second prize will be 50,000. Third prize will be 25, and 200 consolation prizes of rupees 500 each. Now, if suppose 10 people are on the first rank, so definitely it will be 10,000. The whole prize divided by the people, and merit certificate also you will get. And if you are not in the above ranks, first, second, third, and 200 consolation 200, then other people will get the certificate, participation certificate. So one thing is very sure, that everyone is going to something or other. Yes, participation certificate everyone is going to get. No one is going to disqualify in the exam, or no one is going to fail in this exam. Everyone will get participation certificate, whether you are getting the first, second, third or not, but participation certificate everyone will be getting. So this is all about the exam, ICI Commerce Wizard, the time limits, the fees, then the examination pattern. There will be 80 questions, and the time limit will be 1 hour. 80 question, 1 hour, and 1/4 will be the negative mark. That means 25% will be the negative mark. Now understand, if you negative mark is only for wrong questions. That means if you are skipping a question, no negative mark will be there. No negative marking will be there. I hope this much is sufficient for all. If anyone having any question, now you can ask. Now the floor is open for the discussion. Any query, anything?
सुभाष सर, send
Yes.
the WhatsApp link form वाला है ये. Send the WhatsApp link so that student can join, and we will upload all the content also for their reference in that group itself.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Because that form does not contain that link which they are supposed to join.
Dear friends, when you will fill the form, at the time of the response, you will be getting a link, WhatsApp and like that, a link. So when you are getting a response, click on that link, automatically you will be in that group. In the form itself, at the time of response, you will be getting that WhatsApp link. If any question is there, you can ask. Okay. What book we should refer? Very simple. As I told you, one single book. The comprehensive material will be the ICF foundation books. Whether it is for account or whether it is for economics, whether it is for your aptitude, because we have all 3-4 subjects in your foundation. Other than that, we can refer our regular books also. See, in a syllabus, we can find here. In a syllabus, we can find here all the topics. We will check all the topics and we will try to correlate that which topic we will get at what stage. See, if let's say, as sir told, accounting process. So accounting process we have in our FY BCom syllabus. So check accounting process in FY BCom. Yes. And suppose, let's say it's a, just give me a moment. See, it's the accounting standard and all. So accounting standard you will be getting in FY. Yes. Or in, as I told you, in our library, we have a different reference book. So you can check you can take any book for the accounting standard. and check all these points. Easily you will be able to prepare that. Yes, is this clear? Sir, what if laptop का नहीं हुआ तो can be used? See, try for the laptop. If not possible, then you can appear for the with the mobile. But first,
Sir Subhash sir have advised that, because what happened, this technicalities के लिए laptop is little safer than your mobile. Mobile पे क्या होता है, if during the exam you got a call, so your window gets changed, and as soon as your window gets changed, it becomes a case of copy. So it is advisable, और आप ऐसा करो, आप अपने फोन को ऑफलाइन मोड पर डाल दो, इंटरनेट कनेक्ट करो थ्रू वाईफाई एंड देन ट्राई टू गिव. बट अगेन देयर विल बी चांसेस दैट अगर वाईफाई कॉल आपको आ रहा है, गूगल व्हाट्सएप कॉल किसी ने कर दिया, स्टिल योर विंडो गेट चेंज. तो विंडो चेंज हुआ तो इट इज अ केस ऑफ अदर वे अराउंड. सो टू अवॉइड दैट इट इज एडवाइजेबल, क्योंकि लैपटॉप पे किसी का कॉल नहीं आता है, लैपटॉप पे आपका विंडो चेंज नहीं होता है until you don't do. So इसके लिए, but if you have a guarantee on yourself, there won't be any call, there won't be any disturbance, then go for the mobile giving exam. No problem, not at all. You can perfectly give your exam.
Can we use foundation course book? Yes, you can use foundation course book. It's available online, offline. And why you people are worried about the foundation books? We have multiple book, more than foundation book in our library. और इसके हिसाब से एटलीस्ट लाइब्रेरी तो अपन जा ही सकते हैं हम लोग. So just go to the library. I will suggest you to. Yes, sir.
Subhash sir, we cannot suggest them for visiting library, because right now students are being like, by considering the government norms, we are not allowing anyone, any outsider or even any student also for the mass gathering. In the current situation which is going on in Mumbai, which forced us to shut our offline lecture. So there are all the digital contents available, students. You can access that all the content, whatever you want to access here from the library, you can get on the government site. And ICI itself, they have given sufficient material. You just have to refer it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So these all things, these all are things are there. Anything else other than that? Anything else? Now, repeatedly, I am sending this Google form link. Everyone fill this link and ensure you have joined the WhatsApp group specifically for this exam purpose. WhatsApp link is there in that Google form.
Sir, if the queries are over, Subhash sir, if the queries are over, so let us end, because we have the junior